Chappa chappa land chakale. Chappa chappa land chakale. Hi! Chappa chappa land chakale.
Oi.
Chappa chappa. Hi folks, welcome to Impropaganda. We are live. Not actually. No. You're watching this pre-recorded.
But
Okay.
we are live.
But we're
For
live.
us,
We're alive.
मेरे लिए तो ये live show चल रहा है.
Good, funny, haha. We have Lavraj. He's back from his romantic getaway.
Oh.
He had a great time with multiple bottles of vodka. Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. Every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all 3 days, a different kamba of vodka, and every day it was better. Huh?
Moving on, nobody cares. We have also Anshuman Singh Jangi with us, returning guest. I'm doing the introduction, so you can't fucking start with the fucking anecdotes right in the fucking middle of the introductions, dumb fuck.
Sorry, Mr. Jahangir.
He's been doing this for over a year.
Bye.
Over a year.
और अदब भी चीज होती है. Please introduce.
Please, can you tilt the mic towards your mouth? Thank you.
Sorry, Ji.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Please introduce me.
Anshuman Singh Jangi,
Thank you. Hello.
our favorite knowledgeable guru. He's typically found under a tree with his disciples. Today he is moved to an armchair.
My disciples ran away after my cult sex practices, so I'm here, you know.
It's
New
honestly
disciples.
not after. It's because they were found out. Made a big fuss in the media about it. And now, unfortunately, the guy can't get it. You know, man can't have a good life. Now tell us about your fucking alcoholism.
Shit! I was elsewhere.
when are you not?
Right. नहीं बस हर दिन I forgot to drink water mostly for these 3 days also. I just
Vodka, एक ही बात.
हाँ एक बात है.
Isn't it the same?
Yeah.
Whiskey is water for life.
Whiskey aquavite, yes, is
yeah.
water of life.
Yeah.
Water of life. But also, what's his face? Voda is, I think in Russian was water.
Is water.
Really?
Same
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Yes, Voda, vodka, very different.
Common theme then across cultures.
Yeah.
Forget water, drink poison.
Up there, it's cold. It's really cold up there in Scotland
Cheers.
for most of it. And what's his face? Also, Russia.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah. Any excuse for alcoholism, God bless.
Russian, yeah.
A holiday is always a good one.
Amen.
Yeah.
So, how's this trip to India been?
It's been interesting,
Jangi.
dude. Lots of fun.
You just come back from Jaipur. Dude, it's wine. It's not a cocktail premix.
हाँ,
Dumb
sorry.
fuck.
अरे मैं बात सुन रहा हूँ
What the fuck?
Sorry.
Anyway, this is how gentlemen drink. That's an animal right there.
Sorry,
This guy's a brute.
Sorry, I practiced a bit
I'm a
hard.
man, a brute. Jesus Christ, look at that glass of wine, guys. Fucking hell.
Brute language.
All three Punjabis. We can drink as much as we need.
We toast in
Sure, but
brute
you have to
language.
You have to seem to be a gentleman. You can have 20 drinks. You should not have 4 and have the same amount as 20 drinks. I think that's fucked up.
See, y'all didn't have an alcoholic cousin train you at 13 how to drink an entire bottle of vodka.
No.
Your
I am the alcoholic cousin at 13. Listen, that's what I'm saying. The 3 days of the trip, I had 3 bottles of vodka to myself. Friday, 6:45 a.m., I began with the Absolute. Straight to the lips. No whatever. Saturday, it was a Stoli. Sunday, it was a Beluga. I was having fun. It
How
was a
often
good
do you
time.
take bottles?
Continuously
straight to
upgrading
lips?
the quality of the vodka also. I
Huh?
see. Continuously upgrading the quality of the vodka
exactly.
also.
Otherwise, his body wouldn't have tolerated it. He would have vomited by day 2.
स्ट्रेटेजियां देख रहा है
तू वॉमिट की बात कर रहा है मैं एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ इसका जो हमको मिला है मैं चोद ऐसे लेटा हुआ है वो लेटा हुआ है
you are bloody you know what you're doing with the truth there. Hello.
What am I doing?
Did you vomit?
Dude, no, I'll show you.
Not even once.
He's passed out. He's passed out in what is worse than a servant quarters by himself. There is no mattress there. There is a dog bowl in the corner. It is for all of it. Apples are laid out. This guy, and he's like, bro, मैं रोज एक बोतल vodka. And then he has the balls. He has the balls to call us on a Friday and be like, dude, there's lightweights here. Everyone is
They
a
are.
lightweight. Everyone is a lightweight around
Abhi,
here.
so that's not me
They don't
passed
know.
out. Do you know the context?
Listen, you can lie after the fact.
Oh,
You
Dude,
cannot
that's you
refute
passed
video
out.
evidence.
That's a tall guy
No,
passed
no, no,
out.
How
no,
can you
no.
refute video evidence?
because there is chart evidence. भाई वो video scout के लिए this was when I was sober. I was just lying there
That's
for
all-
the space.
Guys, you've seen the video.
Mukund has
This is
backed me up on
clearly
the
the
group.
image of a
No, no.
sober man.
Oh my
think
fucking god, you're really this slander, no, bhai.
Me
ये
think
मैं
the lady
सो-
doth
ये मैं
protest too
लेटा
much.
था for the in that room because we
Explain yourself to
scouted
the
this.
court.
We scouted
Explain yourself to the court.
this. We scouted this location for the music
When you
video.
sue me for libel, explain yourself to the
Oh
court.
my
I have video evidence.
Bevrod-
You have hearsay.
No.
I have.
I have Mukund backing me
video
up on the
evidence.
WhatsApp group also because those other fuckers also like, Yuvraj, हमें तेरी video मिली है. Are you okay? And I'm like, bro, I was lying down. Mukund wrote, haha, he was acting. I was acting
Who
for
lies
that.
down on a concrete floor in Bhimtal?
Bhai, it's for that psychopathic video where making
Listen,
we're scouting the
couple-
location. You should see the things I'm doing.
No. But like you have to put it all in the context.
I hate
you.
you.
Start this weekend by saying I'm surrounded by lightweights. I'm getting turned. You come back. You tell me you've been polishing off a bottle by yourself every day after the next, and then you say that this is actually you acting. You're acting.
This was acting. This was when we were leaving Bhimtal. This
I mean,
was
I am a
acting.
Sardar, but मैं
Oh
इतना भी
my
गधा नहीं.
God.
Let me be honest.
Oh my fucking god.
भाई self-deprecating joke बना दिया ऐसे तेरे ऊपर.
भाई.
देखो यार.
अबे self नहीं होता वो मेरा deprecate कर रहा है.
नहीं तेरा deprecate करके अपने को गिरा के deprecate किया ना तुझे. You are an alky bro. ये गलत बात.
It is sad, you know, because I really care for you.
माँ चुदाएगा. साले.
मजाक से हटके, if I walked into my servant quarters and my knocker was on the ground like that, I wouldn't even be angry. I'd be very concerned for him. I'd be
and-
sending him to the
And
Nasha
we,
Mukti
as your liege lords, as our knocker,
उसने लिखा है.
we are concerned for you.
उसने लिखा है. He's acting भाई.
तूने भीख मांगी होगी कि वो
I'm
लिखे
sorry, I
उधर.
can't see it properly. Your screen is.
उसने लिखा he's acting भाई.
Anyway, guys,
मने
there's-
अंग्रेजी नहीं आती.
साले.
You've seen the video. There's no messages to show. He's lying.
It's like,
देखो अबे ये ना blur कर देगा वहां से दिखता भी
मैं
नहीं.
blur-
अच्छे कैमरा ले साले.
मैं blur नहीं
हम blur नहीं करते.
blur नहीं करता है, लेकिन you know.
वो झूठ तो झूठ ही होता है ना.
देख यार, I am a devotee.
मुकुंद कह रहा है I'm acting.
बच्चा मुकुंद भी झूठा है ना.
हाँ, मुकुंद तेरी गांड देख.
भोसड़ी.
Mukund is trying to save your ass because he cares for you. He's a good friend.
And he might be one putting it in your butt himself. So you
Sure,
know,
sure.
Yeah, he needs to preserve
Maybe
it.
the sexual favors involved. We do not
हाँ
know.
ठीक है भाई मेरे से ना दारू नहीं बचती. मैं टंकी की तरफ.
I'm glad you've admitted it.
Oh my
Frankly, I think the first step towards self-improvement is admitting you're a fuck up. You gotta admit you're a fuck up.
Say, I'm sorry, sing sorry, and I'm very sorry, bro.
In fact, इसने एक और फोटो भेजी थी. इसने एक और फोटो भेजी जिसमें मुर्गी बन के बैठा हुआ है.
अब भाई
Because इसको पनिश किया है ये मुर्गी.
हाँ.
ये तू ही दिखा दे या वो तुझे और
भाई
कुछ
दिखा रहा है ना
तू ही
मुझे.
दिखा दे तू ही दिखा दे
अरे
जल्दी
वो
जल्दी।
मुकुंद ने बोला था अब ये मुकुंद ही कर
मुकुंद
रहा
देख ले
है. मैं तो कूल लग रहा था अपनी तरफ से दोनों फोटो में.
I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. I am just believing my eyes, you know. That's it. That's it.
Empressism
Empressism.
whatever bro
Empressism.
मैंने अंग्रेजी ना आती है
Empressism.
empirical shit
Empirism.
empirism
वही हमारे साथ ब्रिटिश ने यही किया था ना.
Oh dear.
एम्पायरिस्ट.
I've been helping a friend with his he's practicing for his IELTS exam to give his masters in the UK and he's like please help me with my written. I want to be a little formal there. So I was like yeah correct your papers and scream at you no problem. So the question on the paper was people are aging and young people don't seem to give a shit. How do we get past it? So what he meant to write is
The question in the exam said young people don't seem to give a shit.
I'm paraphrasing, but yes,
Okay.
that was the
I'm just-
question.
I've taken the IELTS.
I
That's not how they frame
I
their
also
fucking
doesn't give a
sentences.
shit anymore. Just like yeah,
Sure.
young
Carry on.
people.
Carry on. Yeah.
So, anyways, he meant to write crossing hurdles. और जल्दी में लिख दिया hurdling. मैंने जो कॉल करके बुलवा
Hurdly. How do you even spell hurdly?
HURDYLING.
Okay, that's worse than
Hurdling. It's hurdling.
Hurdling.
Okay.
मेरी डिक्शनरी थोड़ी खत्म हो गई हर्डलिंग कैसे कि मैंने तो ऐसा कोई शब्द ही इस्तेमाल किया मैं क्या बरो रीड योर ऐसे इज लाइक ओ मेरा मतलब था क्रॉसिंग हर्डल्स मैं क्या तो वो लिखता था चू चू को
Wow.
हर्डलिंग
That sucks, dude. Fucking pick up a book.
Pick up a book, bro.
Whatever.
किताब उठाना।
Anshuman's friend. हाँ, sorry.
किताब उठाना।
पुस्तक पढ़ो। पढ़ना शुरू करो. Speaking of uneducated people.
तेरे IELTS में कितने आए थे?
8.5 or something.
Same.
Nice, dude.
तेरे?
किस में?
ये क्यों लेगा अमेरिकन भयंकर लोड़ा?
आई तो
अच्छा, okay, carry on. Okay, good one.
ये अमेरिका में तो होता ही
बाकी
नहीं।
लोग
तेरे IELTS में कितने आए थे?
अभी ये जोक तब लैंड करता है अगर पूरी ऑडियंस को पता है अंशुमन इज एन अमेरिकन सिटीजन. Okay, he doesn't need to fucking. I'm just saying the audience has to have known this for your joke to make sense, na?
No, because he was gonna do मैंने IELTS दिया ही नहीं, फिर मैं कहता हाँ चूतिया नहीं दे.
Oh, okay.
वाह भाई।
That would have been hilarious also, by the way.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, but it's fair
congratulations.
now.
I saved you from the embarrassment of another bomb.
Yeah, it really feels like I've been saved from the embarrassment. That is the sentiment I'm experiencing currently, for sure.
You're welcome.
What did you think is going to happen as a co-host on this on propaganda, my guy? It's just embarrassment and laughing all together. Aja?
Anyway, speaking of uneducated people,
And a couple other things.
so I don't know if you know this.
हाँ गवारों की बात कर.
इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान का मैच हुआ था
हाँ
संडे को.
हाँ.
हुआ था दुबई में. होना था पाकिस्तान में, लेकिन इंडिया ने मना कर दिया, माफ कर दिया. मतलब माफ नहीं, इनकार कर दिया. Fuck, देखा गया. इनकार कर
कोई
दिया.
नहीं, हम तुम्हें इनकार.
Actually, मैं पता क्या बोलने वाला था. I had to say साफ इनकार, तो मैंने माफ बोल दिया गलती से.
कोई नहीं, हम तुम्हें इनकार करते हैं.
हाँ, साफ. उन्होंने साफ इनकार कर दिया, हम तुम्हारे मुल्क नहीं आएंगे. Fuck off. Get out of here. Okay, and India won. We beat their ass. Pakistani media has a theory.
Oh yeah, they had a field day.
अंदर की खबर है कि इंडिया ने अपने 22 पंडित दुबई स्टेडियम में उतार दिए मुख्य जगहों पर. अच्छा, क्योंकि हर प्लेयर पर 2-2 पंडित होंगे और वो इतने जादू टोने कर रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. और यही वजह थी कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान नहीं आना चाहता था, क्योंकि उनको पता था कि इंडिया जब पाकिस्तान आएगा तो उनके पंडित उनके साथ नहीं आ सकते.
I fucking love it.
No, Have you seen आगे? He says solution क्या है? Have you seen आगे
I'll
उसमें है?
have to play it again. What did you tell me the
वो
solution?
कहता solution क्या है? He's like बस उनके मुकाबले हमें ज्यादा दुआएं भेजनी होगी. So basically Hindu versus Muslim.
Can you imagine?
तुम्हारा prayer versus हमारा prayer टक्कर करेगा.
I
I
must
love that
say our
country.
Panditjis must be effective if the Pakistani media is terrified of them, bro.
That's
अब तो मैं जाके सारे मंत्र पढ़ने वाला हूँ.
Oh.
Nice.
I mean, I would imagine that, you know,
Good,
like,
'cause you weren't doing that
Dubai
before.
is closer to, you know, historical Islam,
Yeah.
So-
We're not closer to insanity like
like Pakistan.
yeah.
I guess the energies
भाई दुबई में
are
pork
more
मिलता है.
distorted around Pakistan.
Bro, think about this. Iran, friend of India.
हाँ.
Taliban ruled Afghanistan, has normalized
थोड़ा
relations.
सा माइक उसके मुंह की तरफ करना. हाँ, तो जगह बदलते रहता
मेरे
है.
मुंह की तरफ मत कर जैसे. But हाँ, सोचिए. Taliban, Afghanistan, normalized relations with India. Iran, excellent relations for all time. The Gulf Arab states, excellent
Always
relations with India.
It's just these fuckers.
Do you know who all these people don't have excellent relations
Pakistan.
with? Yes.
They hate them. उनको वो फर्जी मुसलमान लगते ही है वैसे.
Bro, फर्जी मुसलमान जो पागल लगते हैं, bro.
बैंक के लोग on a fucking supposedly a pitch where 1 second. Hello. Sure, no problem. All right, thank you. You cancelled the ticket? All right, thank you for the inconvenience. Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Okay.
I am so
Our-
curious. I'm so curious.
I booked tickets to go watch this movie at the PVR tomorrow. First thing he calls to tell me, oh, sirs, we actually changed the time of the show to from 7:35 to 8:10. I was like, fine, so I'll be there then. Then he's like, no, actually, because of the change in showtime, we also cancelled your tickets. I was like, thank you for the inconvenience. Bye.
I got you one better.
I'm not booking again, dude.
I had to go to Noida.
This is the second time I have to cancel this movie. I feel like it's in the stars for me to not
What
watch
movie?
it. Chhawa.
बाइक क्यों देख रहा है?
अरे यार वो पिक्चर supposedly अच्छी बनी है. It's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's son.
Oh.
It's a decent cast. I would wanted to watch it.
Historical.
I've heard there's some good action. Of course, there's some of it is like, okay, it's overdone or whatever the fuck. But I wanted to watch and experience this, you know. Because
Yeah.
there's very few movies that come out of the Bollywood, Tollywood nexus that I want to go to the theater and watch.
Sure.
So this is one of them.
I
So,
find
and
that
in any case, you were about to say something.
Yes, our resident
I got-
Islamic scholar.
No. Forget
Not
Islamic
that.
scholar. I got him beat on the thank you for the inconvenience. Last week, there was a good chance that I had to stay overnight in Noida. So I booked a hotel room in Noida. When I got to said hotel room, they said, sorry, sir, the whole hotel has been booked out and we don't have space for you.
You had already made a reservation online.
Yes, sir.
He's
And
got you beat, you lose.
at this point, I'm like, go fuck off. I now have to take my bags and suitcase, sit outside the hotel, and I'm making a booking of another hotel and getting a taxi. As I'm getting into said taxi, the hotel's booking services calls me and asks me how they liked my stay at the hotel. And I'm like, go fuck yourself. I am sitting on the footpath outside your hotel. I don't know when I'm getting a refund.
Wow, dude. Noida reigns supreme, honestly.
You have a chance. In the next 2 days, if they call you and say, how did you enjoy the movie, sir?
That's what I would have expected at least, whatever, like the 2-night booking or whatever the fuck, for that to have supposedly concluded.
Wait,
For you to get it. But this was a non-deposit booking.
The non-deposit booking.
तो
That
तब
was
तब तो
the
चोट
issue.
देते हैं यार।
Right.
इंडिया में ना ये सब मतलब कि क्या ही करें I guess.
And yeah.
India. On the internet you say Indians, Endian.
That's the Pakistani way, na? India.
Indians.
Yeah.
I don't know about
India.
that. ये क्या है?
हमें लीगल नोटिस आया
अरे 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 ये तो किसी और के लिए है भाई, नाम तो देखिए, मेरा नाम नहीं है। मोहित से बात करो।
I thought we just got like a notice served to us live on the show. I'd be like, yes, हमारा भी FIR.
Y'all have pissed off
Let's
too
go.
many people this week.
Let's go.
Wait, this week?
This week.
That's interesting. What happened to the past 53 that we've been doing this podcast?
Yeah. Why is this week special?
I thought it's been a marathon run, I think,
Of pissing people off.
we have friends who look at us different. Like,
Anyone had any concerned interventions for you all yet? No?
Yeah, in the beginning that happened a little bit for me personally. My
Acha?
friends, a few were like, you're saying so much shit, this, that, whatever. Little do they know, we're saying worse shit now.
Yeah.
But I mean, also, yeah, fuck you. मेरा काम नहीं है socially responsible बनना as a comedian.
No.
Yeah.
मैं तेरे को educate करने नहीं निकला and I don't have to be politically correct in everything I say. Which is something that took me some time also to...
But it's also they have to realize it's bakchodi, yeah.
Exactly.
These are not
Exactly.
sincere fucking opinions.
Do you keep...
भाई comedy का job क्या है? हंसो.
वही
हंसाओ.
तो.
बस.
Yeah.
No,
yeah.
plus I got to say, anything I've heard at a Punjabi uncle dinner party in West Delhi when the aunties have gone is far worse than whatever we say here. So, let's just...
Yeah, the only difference is they don't have a podcast. They don't have a production team. If they had a production team, they would be first on the chopping block. Unfortunately, we're first right now. But
Yeah. We're taking one for the Punjabi uncles.
yeah, it's you got they've laid the ground
Wow.
for us, and now as their children,
Yes.
we feel
Oh. Man, there have been times I need to cancel my own father. Listen, I'm telling you that is true. But except they might not always know that they're being cancelable. But the difference is, bhai,
not always. That's a fun one. They just don't. They have no clue.
yeah. अरे यार बुरा
मेरा मुंह तब
तो
से खुला है, कुछ बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
बुरा तो
भूल गया.
बुरा तो हर बात पे कोई ना कोई some joke will hit somebody the wrong way. It could be offensive. Fuck you. That's my point.
One time I saw a super drunk Punjabi
Fuck you,
uncle.
dad. That's what he's saying.
मेरी सारी बातों को मरोड़ा जा रहा है, मेरी इमेज को तोड़ा जा रहा है, मेरे आंडों को फोड़ा जा रहा है और मेरी लाइफ का घोड़ा जा रहा है.
माशाल्लाह. इरशाद और फरमाइए. क्या पोएट्री मारी है आपने अभी. बोलिए आगे.
पॉडकास्ट ये लोड़ा जा
मेरी
रहा
बहन का लोड़ा जा रहा
है.
है।
पॉडकास्ट ये लोड़ा जा रहा है.
खत्म हो गई तो डाल।
हाँ मैं तो शराबा पिया.
नहीं मेरा एक ही ड्रिंक खत्म है.
भाई तुझे पूछ कौन रहा है लोड़े.
भाई आज खोल ही दो मेरी गार्ड मतलब. डीप क्लीनिंग चल रही है.
Guys, you have to subscribe to the premier tier for his गांड खोलने वाला segment.
Just date me. But क्या कह रहा हूँ?
Oh, so this is why the ladies are fond of you.
They get to play around a little with the butthole. Yeah.
But their love is bussy. Wow. That's deep. You went up a solid like
I
9,
helicoptered
9
deep in
10
the-
inches, bro. Well, why not?
ये ना बेटा बेटा छोटे भाई ऐसे कह के
कैसे करके गांड मार के ना?
गुंड
गार्ड
मार
मार
भाई,
मैं
भाई, लेना तो प्यार से ही चाहिए। पता भी नहीं चला कि कहाँ लग गई उंगली।
पता है मैंने इसका नया नाम क्या रखा है अभी 2-3 हफ्ते पहले?
हाँ।
पादरी जी। पादरी जी पे तो यही कहते हैं प्यार से बेटा बेटा
बेटा
करके गांड ही मार
चूजे
देते हैं।
से-
पादरी जी कौन है?
Padri means father
Priest.
means priest.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Interesting. In Hindi, we use the Portuguese term for priest because
Oh,
the Goan
padre.
Catholic padre. Yeah, yeah.
In Hindi.
Yes.
Because of the Goans.
हिंदी में padri
Because of
होता है।
Portugal. Yeah.
Interesting.
The
Nice.
first Catholics that arrived here were Portuguese. So
Oh.
yeah.
पंडित जी
padre.
नहीं बोलेंगे।
Isai Pandit ji.
अच्छा, in priest. पादरी।
Catholic
Wake up.
भाई priest तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, कौन सी भाषा में?
I said father and then
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है।
Galat काम, galat काम.
Right on,
Sorry.
right on, right on.
But that is an appropriate name for me, son. Would you like to come sit in my lap? Come on. It'll be
पोप
fun.
जी देखो क्या हो रहा है आपके राज में।
बेचारे वो तो बीमार पड़े हुए हैं उनको
बीमार
क्या
पड़े हुए हैं।
बोलेगा?
There was a whole article about who could be the next pope. Oh, there's never going to be an American pope, etc., etc.
I don't think
इन्होंने
there'll
movie
ever be
बनाई
an
थी ना
American
इस पे।
pope.
They did have a movie.
They made a
recently.
movie on changing the
Conclave.
pope, so now the
Conclave.
pope needs changing.
Conclave.
Yeah,
Look,
my-
did you watch it?
No, my super Catholic Latina employee went to watch it. She's
I
like,
loved it.
Yeah, yeah, she said it
Great
was
movie.
good.
Great movie. And in fact, the last sermon, so good.
Yeah.
Really well delivered also.
Tell me, देखता हूँ।
Ray Fiennes is a great actor. We can watch it together.
Yeah, done.
Yes.
She had 5 minutes. She was struggling to say it in English. Then I was like, say it in Spanish. She said, conclave. Like, conclave. Yeah. I'll go see it.
This is your maid.
Yeah. No.
Latino?
My chief of staff, bro.
She can't speak English.
But
She's chief of staff of SK Hynix. Solid time American.
घर का staff।
she's my chief of staff of
घर
my
का-
small
अच्छा, अच्छा,
department.
घर का staff। अबे ये हो गई तेरी बेसिक।
वो देख लेना वो मुझे बाहर डाल
हाँ, ये बहुत पॉपुलर
Anna they're full of shit.
इंग्लिश उसको सुन से भी बड़ी हिंदी समझ आती है।
11 मिलियन लोग देते हैं इस पॉडकास्ट को।
You are my chief of staff. Just letting you know.
Wow.
मैं उससे पहुंचाऊंगा. She better not ask me for promotion and raise because of you.
That's crazy, dude. So you half communicate in Spanish and half in English?
Yeah.
And half Google Translate. The rest?
Yeah.
Google Translate.
It's fun actually. I get to practice my Spanish.
That's a
back in the
language,
day.
not a medium. Not like a translator. So that's a language.
That is a language, dude.
But mazak se hatke, it is needed. When I have the Indian uncles in place for the meetings, I switch to the most dehati Hindi possible. And initially, my boss didn't understand
uncle.
why. Yeah, exact. Uncle.
Hey, chicha.
अंकल कर दो ना, अंकल डील कर दो ना।
चिच्चा यार, काम क्यों नहीं करता चिच्चा?
सजा मैं कह रहा हूँ
11 बजे के चिच्चा को उठ जाओ ना।
मैं बोलूंगा ये.
Get the fuck out of bed, चिच्चा.
पीछे जनरली ऐसे और लोग आते हैं, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक बज रहा है या ऐसे कुछ जैज बज रहा है, ये अंकल आते हैं तो पीछे ए गणपत चल दारूला is like the soundtrack for the meeting.
This is how you pour a glass of wine. Just for reference.
और पा दे. तू पा दे टॉप तक.
नहीं मुझे That's how you pour a glass of wine. Incorrectly.
No, that is the correct way, darling.
अबे यार चुप करेगा? हैं? तेरे को बोलने की जरूरत क्या है?
मैं समझदार हूँ, बोले बिना दिन नहीं बनता.
Nepal is getting kicked out of Odisha. That's happening.
हैं?
Nepal is getting kicked out of Odisha.
Why?
Oh, you haven't seen this?
No.
Okay, so Odisha, KIIT is the name of this institution, Kalinga Institute of
I
Technology.
know
or
the
some shit.
tribal school, yeah.
Correct.
आदिवासियों की यूनिवर्सिटी।
हाँ.
There are a bunch of Nepal. So there was this one Nepali lady.
हाँ.
ठीक है, who's a student there. I'm saying lady, 19, 20-year-old, but
Yeah.
lady was there in school, and she committed suicide. And it turns out that some guy, some Indian guy, I forget what regional identity,
Yeah.
had recorded a sex tape of her, was blackmailing her, extracting sexual flavors, etc., etc.
God,
Flavors, not favors. And then she mugged herself. She
So
mugged
why are
herself.
they kicking all the Nepalis out for that?
So,
So
nah,
why are you
she-
about to make a joke about this?
she murked herself, and I think the university even moved. So I think she murked herself in like the academic building, and they moved her to the hostel and shit like that, something like that.
Yeah.
ठीक है? And then it turns out that the registrar had been complained to by this lady, and he just got a written admission कि नहीं कि मैंने नहीं किया. उसने बोला हाँ ठीक है मान लिया आगे. Then a bunch of Nepali students were protesting and shit.
Sure.
And they went to the registrar and they were asking about the unfair treatment. And the university kicked all of its Nepali students out.
Momos कौन
I
बनाएगा?
knew where this was
That's
going.
How am I supposed to eat chili chicken?
Kalinga Institute of Technology is pure veg, by the way. I was
Some
watching a
Assamese
documentary.
guy's gonna make my chili chicken now. Fuck you.
Dude, veg momos भी होते हैं. आजा. Paneer chili. गोभी मंचूरियन खाया तूने अभी?
Gobi Manchurian.
Hello, you are live on our pre-recorded show.
Mr. Punch is on the pod. What's happening, man? Come say hello. Would you like a glass of wine or whiskey?
What's up, man?
This is Saransh, aka Sar Punch. He's a rapper.
Anshuman.
Anshuman, he's a fellow.
Yes.
It's live.
We are streaming to the cloud right now as we speak.
Should I set up a mic for you? No.
That takes that's gonna
Good
take
thing.
10 minutes.
We always
What are your
we're
thoughts-
hospitable.
What are your thoughts on this whole Nepali situation in Odisha? Achha. That's good.
Neither are some Nepalis in Odisha.
Yes.
That was dark. That was dark.
No, those are the Odissans. The Nepalis aren't that dark.
Listen, it's sad what happened to her. Yes. They
Yes.
kicked all the Nepalis out.
Yeah.
Yes. It's sad.
It is sad. It's very sad.
Dude, who's gonna fucking give me momos at 4 a.m.?
You're not living in Odisha.
Man.
They'll come here.
I'm just saying. If I were.
No, man. Some motherfucker from Assam's gonna make it and they're gonna say this is genuine 100%. No.
Yeah, get out of here, dude.
Just like the Nepalis.
Just
You also get out of
Just
here.
because you look Chinese doesn't mean you're Nepali.
Yeah, don't appropriate someone else's culture.
Yeah.
Hey, all of Northeast is gonna come.
They do that,
shooting at
huh?
us.
They do that. They are racist.
We just had some Japanese food for lunch.
You did not.
And I bet you all, any of these Japanese or Oriental restaurants you go to over here, bro, it's these Chinese people who are racist because they'll have like a mainland China or something. There are people who look like they're Chinese serving you, but they're not Chinese.
Where's the lie? Tell me.
They are not Chinese.
Listen, if you go to China Hut or whatever the fuck it's called,
Or your China for that
or
matter.
your China, are you?
Firstly, your China.
There's probably Nag people there.
Yeah.
There's Tibetan people there, or Darjeeling.
And they're just like, हम उनके जैसे दिखते हैं.
हाँ.
तो हम ही खड़े हो जाते हैं. हम उनकी नौकरियां खाते हैं. ये racism नहीं है.
I apologize for all Punjabis out there, my fellow Northeastern brothers and sisters. You're all very hot, cute, and nice people. And like, I'm available whenever you need.
तुमने लंड को गीला कराने का बाद में सोचेगा प्लीज.
कभी नहीं ब्रो. 24 घंटे आदमी का काम क्या होता है और
हट.
Anyway,
Stand up for causes, man.
moment of silence for the Asian cuisine landscape.
Momo of silence.
Moment of silence
Correct.
for the Asian cuisine landscape down in Odisha. And of course, the lady who died. Sorry about that.
that is sad.
It is sad.
But the reaction of the university is fucking.
But I
hilarious.
think the hospitality economy is going to take a big hit. And that's, as an entrepreneur, that is what concerns me.
How have you found Odisha tourism thus far?
Oh, very nice. I've only seen it in images. I really, though, on a serious note, I would love to visit the Konark Temple, the Sun Temple. at some
that would
point.
be nice.
Sun Temple. Oof, yes.
Yes, that's on my travel bookmark list. You have a list of like
How
this.
very Pinterest of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, there's
Sure.
nothing wrong with that. I would like to
I
see
didn't say
a lot of
anything wrong
things
with that.
Sure.
I must now backtrack on my sentiments. So it doesn't look like I'm the idiot. Well,
Looks like
that ship has
dude.
It's
been a while.
sailed, docked,
It's
been,
been a while,
refueled,
been some,
sailed
yeah.
again.
Bro, speaking of nice tourism, I usually never get tour guides because I'm a history nerd and shit.
Sure.
But the one guy was just after us. So outside of Amer, you were asking how Jaipur was.
आमेर में हमको भी वो tour guide हमने पकड़ लिया था. But I was
Right.
also showing my Swiss friend around, so I'm like, ठीक है, आजा,
Wait.
दिखा दे.
And mom might as well be a white lady at this point. So I was like, fuck it.
Sure.
So anyways, I was like, bro, मैं तेरा interview लूंगा before I hire you. He passed interview and he realized I'm a history nerd. So he's really giving it his all. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
So have you seen Jai Singh's bedroom, Raja Jai Singh's?
I don't particularly recall it.
It's like a Game of Thrones fantasy. It's a bedroom made of a sheesh mahal set as a bedroom set in the middle of a Mughal garden surrounded by walls. Oh, bedroom hota aisa.
Oh, right. And
Yeah.
this is the one that's above the 12.
So that's the one
a
I'm
different
getting to. That's the entertaining one.
Yeah, ये सुना कहानी.
So I'm like Jai Singh's room. He's like, भैया Jai Singh na impractical. Man Singh ka palace dekhne jate hai. So what Man Singh did is he had 12 wives. He built them 12 apartments surrounding a courtyard. But never did he enter the apartment from the courtyard. Instead, he had a bedroom upstairs and 12 staircases going to each of the wives' bedrooms. so there'd be no fighting between the wives
Polly
when
King.
he'd go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Polly King, bro.
Poly King, yeah, exactly.
Also to make-
logistically consider it.
Why though? Such even my mom had the same reaction.
He's not going to ruffle some feathers, dude.
She's like, if you're going to be a polyamorous emperor,
Yes.
that is the most polite thing you can
Bro,
do for your
कलेश ही
wife.
कलेश है अगर तुझे ले
वही
लिया
तो.
वाइफ नंबर 11 talking about like how she वो 7 को तो बढ़ा देता है साला मैं जो 7-11 चल रहा है अब anyway so
yeah.
it's good so he had a
हाँ,
sound
उनको पता ही नहीं होता, उनका दरवाजा लॉक कर दिया करो, चले जाओ, उनको क्या पता तुम
Every
कहाँ
3
घूमो।
months,
नहीं,
the
नहीं, you have to
Ranis
be
were
treated with
required
dignity,
to.
dude. They're women. They're not fucking objects of ownership and possession.
God, you're such a screwed up person.
Dude, I'm wearing pink today. I feel liberal out here.
अबे मुझे क्यों तोड़ रहे हो यार?
मजा आ
इतना टूट रहा हो,
दो
इतना
पार्टन के
head
बीच
चोर।
में साबुत रहे ना कोई बेटा.
मैंने कहा मैं आऊंगा, लोग कहेंगे भाई तेरा ट्रिप कैसे था, डिटेल सुना तू, कितना cool
शुरुआत
है।
में ही गांड मार दी तेरी पूरी कहानी की
कितना कूल है भाई, कितनी चीजें करी तू, वाओ यार, हाउ कूल।
देखो याद ही क्या है साले 3 बोतल शराब पी के आया जो तू
सब याद है मुझे।
और तू बेहोश होके आया है कॉर्पोरेट पे.
ये मीडिया लाइज ना, इस बियर कैंपेन भाई। नाउ आई नो हाउ सेलिब्रिटीज फील ब्रो।
अरे बच्चे क्या बात है.
उनके झूठ को सचलाया जाता है, उनकी
सच
इमेज
लाया.
सचलाया।
He's not just a lie, he's also delusional. He's a little delulu out here.
मैं हर्डलिए,
He's a little delulu.
उनके
this guy.
झूठ को सचलाया जाता है किसी का नाम टार्निश करने के लिए।
तारनिश बोलते तू इस पॉइंट पे. सच लाया तो that is actually quite. I would like to add that in the Hindi dictionary.
इट मेक्स सेंस।
Yeah, सच लाया.
झुटलाया सचलाया।
तो एक बात बता, अब अगर इंडिया में जैसे आईपीएल के मैचेस होते हैं तो दोनों साइड पे पंडित होंगे, तो who's पंडित wins?
वो
I'm just wondering.
आई थिंक दैट हैव टू बी मंदिर रैंकिंग देन। कौन से मंदिरों से पंडित आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि आईपीएल में
Do you think
अलग-अलग
the
स्टेट्स है
umpires
ना।
also have to judge that.
There's clearly some states look that have better mandirs, higher ranking mandirs than others, like the Somnath Mandir.
Yeah, I mean,
or
I'm
the-
sure, dude, like Vaishno Devi fucking overtakes fucking Baba Balaknath or whatever the fuck, right?
I don't
Out
think
here in
the-
Humayun-
I don't
Humayunpur के बाबा बालानाथ की तो गांड मार दी वैष्णो देवी ने. I mean, come
so
on, dude.
it really depends on like the pandits, which temples you get them from. तो उस हिसाब से उनके prayers की ranking
I
होती है
don't
ना।
think Vaishno Devi and Kedarnath Raj Purohit are showing up for matches.
हाँ तो ठीक है, उनका स्टेट सफर करेगा आईपीएल में, और क्या।
Listen, man.
If they're not willing
you
to-
got to either adapt to the times or get left behind.
And in fact, to be more comprehensive about it, जैसे QS यूनिवर्सिटी के रैंकिंग्स नहीं निकलते हर साल।
QS क्या होता है?
अरे जो वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग्स होती है,
Qualitative score.
Right.
हाँ, तो उनका जो ऑफिशियल हर साल रैंकिंग होता है,
Sure.
तो इन मंदिरों का भी कर दो, so that you know the pandits you are getting कि
भाई
उनका
इसको बाहर भेज और इसको what do you call it बता दे क्या मार देंगे.
तू फिर माइक के बगल में घुस गया, सामने सीधा बैठ.
सामने सीधा बैठो.
Yes.
इसको सीधे की आदत नहीं है।
नहीं तू टेढ़ा और हो रहा है अंशुमन, you sitting straight. Yes, thank you.
बट तुम लोग को गुरु हो पूरे टाइम, तो फिर तुम्हारा गला टेढ़ा हो जाएगा ना.
अच्छा
कुर्सी थोड़ी टेढ़ी कर ले।
पहली बात गर्दन नॉट गला.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. तू रैंकिंग करेगा मंदिरों की.
मैं थोड़ी करूंगा।
तू कौन करेगा? Who is in charge of the मंदिर रैंकिंग on a yearly
मौलवी
basis?
साहब, I don't know man, fucking काउंसिल बैठाओ।
Listen, you could set up a fucking like a driver of the day. You have
अब
just-
कुंभ मेला का काउंसिल में जो
People
बिठा
can
दिया,
say-
ये भी बिठा सकते
people
हो।
can send a message. वो होता है ना अखिल भारतीय whatever the fuck अखाड़ा परिषद.
अरे put the
होती है.
BJP in
That's
charge of
that's
it.
one of the organizations that designs the what's his face. Ribu Ghosh is also here. Come say hi. Come.
Yeah, podcast favorite,
Come say hi.
but
Yeah.
yeah.
We're expecting another one at some point. It's a busy day.
And
Honestly, it has been busy since the moment I got up. We've been running around.
Hello darling, love you.
আমি তোমাকে
Bengalis
গান
are the
চাটি
best.
थे। আমি তোমাকে গান চাটি थे।
और भाई आज कचम
पिकाचू गाय दे रहा। पोकेमॉन ट्रेनर लग रहा है साले।
You're looking quite dashing. Come sit na.
नहीं, let him go. Go. Fuck off. In any case, this is something we have to evaluate. And I think I say why
Mandars, you mean?
why limit yourself to cricket? Kabaddi. Kabaddi is big these days. They've got broadcast kabaddi competitions and shit.
You just want pundits going Wingardium Leviosa.
I'm
across the
saying
board.
if this is true, if the Pakistani news media is onto something, we should exploit it to the best of our potentials. Why are we getting bronzes in the Olympics, man? Send them to the Olympics. Let's get some gold out here, bruv. Let's get a national fucking image on the sporting thing. Pop in.
That
I'm
is a
saying.
valid point.
Let's enter fucking football for fuck's sake. We've been trying forever. We nearly got
Football
in.
थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा.
And then चप्पलों में खेल रहे थे तो हमको आने नहीं दिया ना.
I've heard that
ये
story.
कहानी हुई थी ना.
1960s
ये
में ना.
ये कहानी थी.
Yeah.
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई मंदिर लेके आओ, अपने जूते खरीद लेंगे.
Wow, it's fair.
क्या लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करनी है? 2-3 आ गए. पेटी आ
Reebok
जाएगी.
आ जाएंगे बस बढ़िया से भाई के पास.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, देखो अगर ये स्ट्रैटेजी सही है, अगर इसमें कुछ है दम, तो करो.
Bro, but Pandits doing Wingardium Leviosa is just jogging my brain. By Hogwarts, एक second. Hogwarts अगर इंडिया में होता
हाँ.
तो तुझे लगता है ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र
सिर्फ ब्राह्मणों को
सिर्फ ब्राह्मण हॉगवर्ट्स जा पाते ना, उनका यही होता.
नहीं देखो जैसे अमेरिका में होता है ना, सारे कल्ले खेल रहे हैं, तो हम सारे बहुजन को खिलवाएंगे और ब्राह्मण पूजा करेंगे.
भाई
That's the way to do it.
Bro, मजाक से हटके, when I'm with my vidwans and pandits and gurus, he's willing to talk to me about the Veda and explain it. But if I were to ask for the recitation learning, he would very politely. I would not ask and he would deny.
इस वे तू जानता भी जात क्या है?
Yeah. He's like,
शक्ल
कोई
देखी है?
औकात के बाहर नहीं आ गया तू.
हाँ,
In very polite language, but yes.
हाँ, तू पंडित नहीं है तो तेरे को नहीं सुना है.
Yeah.
But can't you learn like on the internet these days? A little bit?
Yeah, but then you don't
Fair
get
bit.
the right pronunciations, and then the gods don't bless you, and then they burn you down and pour lead in your ears. I checked.
इससे
It's
better
not a
तो
good
मत पढ़ो.
idea.
Sure. No,
इससे better तो मत ही पढ़ो.
I think there's evidence, empirical evidence to prove this.
Yes, there is.
Fair enough. I concede. You know, I think I'm limited in my thinking because of my rationality.
I tried learning.
You have to forgo.
You gotta embrace everything. The
Carry on.
forces, cosmos, universe, Brahma ji,
Mm.
etc.
Yeah.
Satvachan.
Satvachan ji.
कब सीख क्या है?
Him too, sure. Satvachan ji is a baller. Always 100% right.
I thought he was a cricketer. Sorry, football batter.
वो सतवचन सिंह था.
सातवाचन मतलब true words.
मैंने पता है सर, he is always right.
मैनू के पता जाहिल सरदारां नू की पंजाबियां नू की पता.
Oh, बल्ले बल्ले जी.
Indeed.
Nice. And supposedly, what's his face? Our ex-temporary CM has been kicked out of parliament by the
LGBT. The LGBT community.
the Lieutenant Governor kicked Atashi Marlena out of parliament or something like that.
Lieutenant Governor of Delhi.
Yes.
Oh, Vidhan Sabha probably. Then.
Vidhan Sabha, then whatever the
Yeah.
fuck.
Makes sense.
He kicked her out, but I don't know pourquoi. I don't know what the fuck she was saying, but she was saying something apparently.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks for bringing up.
Thanks for.
I
Hey man,
really,
what are we here for if not
local
reporting the facts as they are?
You know, as they say, think globally, act locally. I'm acting. I'm not thinking much.
Finally, we're on the same wavelength.
But I'm acting locally, dog. You know? That's just what it is.
You're acting locally.
Hey, yaar. आज he impressed my mother very much. We had lunch with my
गुलाबी
mom.
शर्ट, मैं फिदा हो गया भाई इसको देख के. कभी पिंक ऑलमोस्ट नहीं. मैंने एक बार ही शायद पहले देखा.
Saying so many times.
मैंने एक बार ही शायद पहले देखा.
अबे यार एक्चुअली मेरी फिटिंग जो शर्ट्स वगैरह हैं वो गायब हो गई ना, क्योंकि मैं मोटा जो हो गया पिछले 1.5 साल में, तो अब मैंने फाइनली नई शॉपिंग कर ली है.
बधाइयाँ हो. चंगा लग रहा है एकदम.
Sick of
आप बधाइयाँ ही हो गए. वादा जो गया.
बैड.
बधाइयाँ.
अंकल बन गया ना तू इधर के उधर.
पैंट हो गया. अंकल को एक विस्की पिला दो, उनका पैंट जो निकल गया. You know whatever swallowing is bad.
Oh my
Telangana
God.
tunnel collapse.
What?
Rescue teams from multiple organizations prepare to enter tunnel again. That's what she said.
Where?
Sure, right after it collapses.
Vertical drilling from the top to enter the tunnel ruled out. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
There's so many.
But-
There's too many WSL jokes in this.
But there you-
Every other sentence in this article is going to be. That's what she said joke, but this fucking refuses to load. The Hindus app, by the way, guys.
That's what
I
she said.
love.
Refuses to load. That's what she said.
The Hindus app refuses to load.
That's what she said.
Okay, sure. Appendage, I guess. I mean, you could say app is appendage. Anyway, your
Why
app
much,
sucks. Your app sucks. You fucking losers. I mean, I really love your publication. It's one of my favorite Indian fucking commentary thing to read. But your app sucks. Anyway, let me just open it on the. Do you have anything to talk about? You dumb fuck, co-host motherfucker.
Actually, I did. Do you know how Iceland kind of chuti hai?
नहीं
भाई आइसलैंड का क्या गलत
Iceland के
बोल
बारे में
रहा
कुछ मत
तू?
बोलिए गलत।
बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं,
बहुत अच्छी जगह है।
वॉल्केनोज है, सी है,
अब
अच्छे लोग हैं।
कहानी बता, तेरा सेटअप फेल हो गया। आगे
बट बता
सेटअप इज फेल, फ्लॉप।
ये देख मेरी मुर्गी वाली फोटो।
आज हमने इसकी नॉन स्टॉप गांड मारी है इसकी। ओह माय गॉड, नॉन स्टॉप
बस 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 एक्चुअली बड़ा सोफिस्टिकेटेड मुर्गा लग रहा है इसमें, अल्को मुर्गा।
करेक्ट। कुकड़ुकू पंचो।
Okay, I do have to ask, if you are truly positing that you were acting in that picture,
Yes, yes.
what was it that you were trying to portray?
This guy who's passed out after doing all these murders and shit, and just before he wakes up with the different other personality, वो आके बेहोश ही हुआ है।
और वो सब एक सेलफोन फोटो में कैप्चर हो गया था।
नहीं वो
video
वीडियो है
अच्छा।
छोटा सा, and there's other like me doing weird shit in the mirror वगैरह सब है।
Maybe you were just drunk and doing weird shit in the mirror.
Oh man, I was discussing the character
If
in the
only
video.
you had shared the other media with me, and then it would have made me believe this story.
All the media I shared with you, he has every single picture and video.
I don't know, man.
Oh, you share all your
I just
pictures
trust
and
my-
videos
मुकुंद
with
ने
him.
भेजा है।
I just trust my eyes.
ये
and my
मुकुंद ही
eyes.
फसाद की जड़ है।
मुकुंद के पास तेरे सारे फोटोज हैं।
मुदित, you rock. मुदित की गलती नहीं है कुछ भी।
मुदित?
उसका नाम मुकुंद है, मैं उसको मुदित मकरंद कुछ भी बुला
भाई
देता
अपना
हूँ। मैंने भी
मुकाल भाई।
उसके बर्थडे के लिए गया था वहाँ पे भीमताल, तो मैं विश्ड हिम एंड ही वाज लाइक थैंक्स सुखबीर। He's also caught on. He called me Sukhbir.
सुखबीर है।
You kind of look like Sukhbir though. You remember the 90s Punjabi singer?
Fuck that. So
He performed at my parents' wedding.
I'm shooting my
Nice.
movie. I'm shooting my short film, and everyone on set is calling me Suki ji, Suki, right? Because that's my nickname. Everyone call me Suki.
Yeah.
And this production designer who I'm working with for the first time, Shameem bhai. Shameem bhai is like, Sukhvinder Paji. I'm like, yeah. He just assumed my name is Sukhvinder. I was like, dude, who told you my name is Sukhvinder?
Panju or not Panju, this person?
Shameem Khan. Shameem Khan.
वही पंजाबी भी ये हरकत करते हैं. My dad has the most Hindu name possible, Arvind Mohan.
Arvind Mohan,
It just is not a Sardar name, you know. But my mom is one rishtedar. From the day they got married till the day the old lady died, Arvinder किवे है?
I respect her. वो पंजाबियत गुजारी थी उनके नाम
भाई,
में।
good. My mother explained it's
No,
Arvind.
it was not
Arvinder.
Why
My
was-
father came and said, BBC, Arvind. Arvinder.
अब उनके फादर होते वो कहते अरविंदर मोहिंदर कहाँ है?
मेरा नाना मोहिंदर था.
Damn. See, it checks out. He's asking about both people.
Yeah. My parents purposely did not want to give me a very Inder Pinder name.
Yeah.
That's why they chose not to.
My nanny's permanent threat was, "Be behave, or I'll give you the most Sardar name possible." I was like, "What's that?" Inder Preet Pal Jeet Singh. I was like, "Yeah, that's it."
All the suffixes. Fuck.
You forgot the aloo wali at the end.
How we are Ahluwalias on one side.
There you go.
My nanny actually.
That's so funny. That's so funny.
Do you know what Ahluwalias actually are?
Yes, people who sell aloo.
Potato sellers.
Yes.
That would be nice enough. We are country liquor makers. The original name was Kalal, and after we got military and governmental power under Jassa Singh Ahluwalia, we changed
नहीं.
it to the village name. Hand to God, we are not Khatris.
नहीं, जैसा सिंह आलू, अच्छा कलाल क्या होता है?
Kalal means wine maker or country liquor, Everclear maker.
But you're not Khatris का क्या मतलब?
Ahluwalias are not Khatris.
So what are
Ahluwalia
they?
Khatri
Vaishya?
equivalent. They're Vaishyas.
Interesting.
They're Vaishyas who became the
But Khatri is also like Khatri somewhere between a fucking Vaishya and a
Kshatriya.
Kshatriya, right?
Khatri is kind of become a. How it works in Punjab is it's called Khatri equivalency. What it means are actually some actual Khatri families. Aroda. Actually, no, even Arodas are not Khatris.
They're from Aror.
They're from Arod, exactly. The Khatris are the prestige caste. Any community a Khatri is willing to marry becomes Khatri equivalent. And the Khatris are more economically driven in their willing to intermarry than other.
But
upper
tell me
Khatri
castes.
O plus
now-
blood type
now-
है.
Yes.
Khatris are O positive.
So
Essentially,
Bhalla-
वो अपना caste ऐसे transmit कर देते हैं.
Bhallas are Khatris.
My mom
Chandoks
is
are
Bhalla.
Khatris.
My mom is Bhalla.
Yeah.
My mom is Bhalla.
Sethis are Khatris.
Supposedly.
Yeah.
But tell me this. Now, in the established caste hierarchy,
Yeah.
right, with the Brahmin, the Kshatriya, the Vaishya, what is a Khatri? Where does it fall into?
A Khatri claims he's a
2.5.
Kshatriya.
Ah.
But let
I
it
mean,
be-
that makes sense
But
etymologically.
there are
at the very
OG
etymologically,
Khatris
yes.
who are actually Kshatriyas, and there are appropriated Khatris who have received the transfusion of Kshatriya genes. Therefore, they're
No, but even all Khatris, if you
fucking
take
affirmative
them,
action.
what are Khatris famous for before Sikhism? It is traders.
Hmm.
The Khatris are traders and bureaucrats.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the Mughal, any Khatri nobleman in the Mughal service was a bureaucrat. But if you take the same thing,
It's the aesthetics of the Kshatriya with the actual, essence of a Vaishya.
the
So
the
we like that.
Marathas, same thing. They were Kunbis
Arre
before.
wah,
They were
Javed sir.
farmers. It just changes around a bit, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's whatever feels good at that day. What do you feel like today, darling? Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Chuda.
White guy.
आज तो
Today I feel
भाई-
like white guy. Above all.
आज तो भाई तुम लोगों ने हरिजन बना के रख दिया लेकिन भाई क्षत्रिय है भाई वॉरियर है वॉरियर
कोई ना हरी
भाई लड़ रहे हैं इन मुश्किलों से
Oh dear.
इन मुश्किलों से
you have
हाँ
to you have to struggle against our
देख
oppression.
मेरा थिंकिंग से ही मेरा कास्ट एलिवेट हो गया मैं अभी हरिजन था मैं अभी 10 सेकंड में क्षत्रिय बन गया
माशाल्लाह.
तू बड़ी लंग था क्या?
माशाल्लाह. तू देवता कैसे बनेगा?
तू कितना डिस्टेस्टफुल से बनता है ना
तू जैसे दोस्त पाल रखे हैं.
करेक्ट ओए
Nice, good,
Jesus.
good. Anything else exciting that have happened in Shuman this week? Tell me, he's boring me. Yuvraj has bored me entirely. This conversation.
Bro, mummy came and I realized what a complete white lady she is, because every time she approaches anything touristy, people speak to her directly in English, and then she refuses to admit, but she says
Podcast में
"Bhaiya," and then they just quote
सुसैन
युवराज मेरे साथ में
हाँ
बैठा
मेरे को
podcast
कॉल
में.
किया था इससे मैंने इग्नोर किया था
अच्छा पॉडकास्ट पे हो तुम ना सही
क्या गेट आउट
तू भी podcast पे है
Okay,
by the
fine,
way.
fine. अरे tell him did he bring the fucking gift?
इवन इफ आई डिडंट
I
हो गया ना
literally reminded him. I don't know if you did. Did you?
नो ऑफ कोर्स ही डिडंट
I did. I had the foresight.
Wait, did he get the gift?
बाय
He
रिशु
did. I reminded him. You dumb fuck. He's bought it. He's already here.
हाँ, ठीक है चलो okay fine. Have fun guys. Bye.
Bye.
idiot
I don't want to told him
I should call him on the podcast just to kick him out here's I guess
These minorities.
this particular minority
There's one bad.
this particular minority
Sure. I'm just saying that's the sentiment you were giving me, so I voiced it. But I'm glad you said what was on my mind.
okay
Hence why. Anyway, you were saying Auntie was.
Yeah, auntie has become after 28 years outside of India,
Yeah.
and what you call it, mom's not going to see this. Yeah.
No, she.
Let me start bitching then. So after 28 years outside of India and 17 years of not returning to India and like God knows how long in the Midwest, my mother has become a white woman. And with my 6 years of living in India, मैं घने तौर से ज़्यादा देसी हूँ than her.
हाँ.
So let me give you some examples of what happened. She comes to actually let me start before she arrives here.
Yes.
We were hosting a Diwali party. Okay. Not our Indian friend. Our Pakistani family friend says, Minna, तुम बिरयानी मंगा रहे हो from the Afghan place, तो मैं कचूम्बर बना के लाती हूँ. Y'all know what kachumbar is, right?
yeah
It's like a mince.
It's like a salad of like
Oh.
प्याज,
pita,
टमाटर, हाँ.
प्याज टमाटर वगैरह
My convent-educated Nainital mother apparently had never learned the word kachumbar in Nainital or since she left India.
Wow.
So she had no idea. So she tried confirming from auntie. Oh, तू कोई रायता ला रही है? कहती नहीं मैं कचुम्बर ला रही हूँ. So then she goes and investigates. Thinks it's some Pakistani specialty. Kachumbar is Sanskrit origin word, by the way. And it is, so and so is bringing some special Pakistani salad that goes with biryani. I'm like, what is this Pakistani salad called? Kachumbar. मैं क्या भाई? कचुम्बर तो उत्तर प्रदेश में खाते हैं.
सुधारना पड़ेगा आंटी को स्वदेश पिक्चर दिखाई है
अरे स्वदेश देख क्यों भूल गई है? अच्छा यहाँ आके फ्लाइट से उतरती है, कहती है व्हाट डज निकास मीन? मैं क्या एग्जिट? नहीं पता,
मुझे भी नहीं पता.
ये तो I was just gonna say
That's why you and her got along so much.
got along really well.
Consummate white people.
You were having a good time. You were making fun of Anshuman. You were like, "Oh my god, why does he have? Why are his jeans falling? Why does he not get something that fits
अब
him?"
मुझे भी मजा आ रहा है ना, अब मैं भी थोड़ी
अब तेरे को लगता है कि सिर्फ तेरी गांड मार रही है? अभी 1.5 घंटे मैंने आंटी ने इसकी मारी है.
ये भाई तो किसी ना किसी को गांड मारनी पड़ती है.
नहीं मैं वही कह रहा हूँ उसी का वो एनर्जी ट्रांसफरेंस हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
अब मैडम जयपुर पहुंची. मैं क्या, एक तो तू इतनी गोरी चिट्टी, प्लस यू गॉट दैट शॉर्ट अमेरिकन बॉबी हेयर कट,
Right.
एंड देन यू हैव द मोस्ट Midwest mom clothes possible, Talbot's jean and Chico's
आपको
shirt.
देख के तो टैक्सी वाला 3 गुना मांगेगा ही.
वही तो मेरे भाई,
है ना? भाई मैं टैक्सी वाला होता मैं भी मांग देता. कि आंटी अंशुमन तो ठीक है, ये सुकर ठीक है, आप ज्यादा पैसे दे लो.
By the way, when I had gone to what's his face, Jaipur, to show
What's his face?
what's his face?
Jaipur. What's his face? That's where we're going to ride
That's where we're going to
tonight.
tonight, right?
You going to Jaipur?
No.
Oh, Jazz house. Nerd. Anyways, carry on.
When I had gone
not
to
that
Jaipur
bad.
with my Swiss friend, I had to
Yeah,
show her
yeah.
around because she was there, and this was a year after I had come back to the country. So I'm showing her around, and I'm also, basically her.
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah,
white
yeah.
girl right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and I at the Amer Fort store bought a 12,000 rupee fucking pashmina scarf or something like that. ठीक है? I came back, my mother was like, "What the fuck?
Actual, what the fuck?
What
There's
the
a
fuck have
Pashmina
you
store here.
He's like, "What the fuck have you done? This is so overpriced. You're tourist trap. This shit, that shit." But I'm that same lady,
Yeah.
so I don't fault your mother at all.
No, I did.
It's these
both of-
desis who take advantage of us.
Survival of the fittest. Both of you all can be faulted.
Any auto wala that smiled at her was like Saint Jesus of Nazareth the fifth, bro. Oh my god.
Was he a pervert? Sorry, go on.
Astaghfirullah Lazim. Chalo.
क्या बोला इसने? Sorry.
He asked if Jesus was a pervert.
I mean,
It's just a question.
Mary Magdalene.
That's just love, bro.
Okay, fine.
Love
sure.
and perversion.
Yes.
Mandolin.
Mandolin क्या होता है?
जो
वो
बजता
छोटा
है।
वाला गिटार
जो शाहरुख खान नहीं बजाता. टन 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 टन
but
टन टन
weirdly
टन
enough,
टन
for
टन.
an Italian medieval instrument, it's very key to Punjabi music.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I don't know.
पंजाबी
how
उसकी
it
कहते हैं
got there.
मंडोलिन.
हाँ, मंडोलिन.
मंडोलिन
मंडोल बजाओ जी, मंडोल.
मंडोलिन.
Then we got to the restaurant and I was like jungli mas or lal mas khila. She's like, oh, what was that? Rara mas mutton, you know? मैं क्या भाई please वो 1,000 रुपए और ले लेंगे.
I can hear a cup of cha. I can hear the tea and biscuits.
Bro, मेरी ये भी. She being a convent educated Nainital bachchi, her chai is not desi chai. It's black tea with a drop
Angre-
of cream.
Of course.
Maximum to maximum 1/10
I
of a elaichi.
actually
piece
don't
in
like
there.
desi chai. I can't have
I
it.
love this.
I'm also not a
really,
fan.
really
I
good
don't drink
chai.
गुल्लक चाय. वो कड़ा-
Even when I was
क्या
growing
बोलते हैं?
up,
Godangaram और गंदा वाला thick वाली chai. Wow.
हाँ, वो
even when
मुझे
I
नहीं
was
आता.
growing up, me, my mom and my dadi, I think 15 साल हम दिन में 2 बार चाय साथ में पीते थे, सुबह और शाम को.
Yeah.
And we always used to make like the English tea tray sort of thing.
Yeah,
The black tea,
same.
alada, the milk, garam ya thanda, whatever you want,
Yeah,
alada,
yeah.
chini, alada. You make the tray, you bring it with the chutney, you make
sad
it.
scenes. Sad scenes.
I don't drink that shit anymore.
No, I love that. I
I-
actually do like a very nice
15 साल में.
light black tea. Even if it's just even if it's a masala chai,
हाँ.
I like it mostly black.
यार,
जब मैं
रेडी
बीमार होता
वाली
हूँ मैं
चाय.
मैं वही पीता हूँ.
भाई ढेर सारा शक्कर, ढेर सारा
और मेरे को दूध वाली जैसे भी generally like I don't like those hot caffeine beverages with milk. Even my coffee is always black.
So boring.
What do you
So
mean?
white.
But I like that. You bring the train, सबको अपने
फिर भी
स्वाद
दिल
अनुसार
है.
मिल जाती है. It's not just one community पतीला जैसा बन गया वैसे पी लो
25
जी.
किलो अदरक,
Oh my God.
100 किलो इलायची. वाह, tasty. आज पान भी हमने जाके white वाला खाया, but वो अच्छा पान था. I'm not gonna.
Pan was very
complain. The
nice.
pan was
He
very
had
nice.
chocolate pan.
Yes.
Have you ever had
I'm-
chocolate?
So I don't like pan in general. Whenever
Oh.
somebody's
You're a
shown me,
bad
oh, ये बहुत
person.
बढ़िया pan. I've tried it, but I've never enjoyed it.
How do you not like pan?
Bro, it's not like I don't keep trying it. I keep trying it. I keep disliking it.
You've had bad pan.
I've had great pan.
Then you're just not Indian.
Okay.
You're a Pakistani. That's the line in the sand.
Okay, so then I guess that gives me license to say the fuck I want about them because it's my people.
Yeah, go for it, my guy. Go
बैठ
for
के
it.
लोड़े पाकिस्तानी हो. I'm one of you guys.
आज तक कोई भी रुका है उधर पाकिस्तान में अपने देश को अपमान करने के लिए? Bhai, matlab honestly, you've seen Pakistani reporters like blogs, not blogs, what do you call it?
Bro, यही क्रिकेट मैच के चक्कर में वो हार गई पाकिस्तान. There's this one Pakistani guy. उसके पीछे बाबर आजम की फोटो लगी हुई है. The batsman, captain.
Oh, I thought you meant the first
Baba
emperor
Adam?
of the Mughals.
बाबर आजम.
Baba Adam.
Sure, Pakistani captain Baba Adam.
Carry on.
उस-
Sorry, I had a cramp. I have to get up. Oh, weird cramp. Go on.
उसकी फोटो लगी इस पीछे. In that interview, and that cricket commentator guy in studio is just sitting with his arms crossed and he's like, इसकी फोटो लगी है मेरे पीछे, हटाओ. अगर ये नहीं हटाया मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. And this is the official bloody sports channel commentator.
Hold on. Have you seen how many times Pakistani news reports get into Bhanchod, Motherchod, and people punching each other within 40 seconds? And unlike India, they don't cut the broadcast, and the host is pushing them a little further. Bro, just think about this. I was explaining this to a friend once.
So they appreciate freedom of speech despite everything.
No, just think. Yes, but there's a reason. Think about it. It's a country that is 70% ethnically Punjabi, then
Correct.
scattered around with some Pathans and Sindhis, also passionate people, if we call them as such. Now, if all of the Indian government and bureaucracy was run by angry Punjabi uncles, what do you think would happen to the country?
Exactly
It
this.
would burn down. Pakistan.
Pakistan is burned down.
Yes.
I can say this because I'm Pakistani.
Because I have avoided you as such.
आप बड़े भाई हो. आपका वो क्या हुकुम सर आंखों पे. और मैं हुकुम सर. अबे साले बात पे मेरी गांड में देने की कोशिश कर रहा है. मैं यहाँ तेरे को इज्जत दे रहा हूँ, तू इज्जत लेने की कोशिश कर रहा है. क्या भाई,
तो पाकिस्तानी है, ये तो नॉर्मल है वहाँ.
तू मेरा कजन थोड़ी है.
कसन होने की जरूरत नहीं है ना उधर.
जरूरत क्राइटेरिया तो लग रहा है मुझे.
देख, वो शादी की बात होती है.
सिस्टर्स के लिए होता है.
तू शादी की बात कर रहा है.
बॉयज के बीच में चलता है पाकिस्तान में ब्रो.
खुशाने के जमाने में कुछ भी.
You can marry up to your first cousin at school. Not your sister.
अप टू का क्या मतलब है?
उसकी सगी बहन को नहीं कर सकता.
पहुंच सकते हैं.
सगी बहन को नहीं कर सकता भाई.
तो मासी की बेटी को के साथ शादी कर सकता है, लेकिन बुआ की बेटी के साथ शादी नहीं कर सकता है. और द अदर वे अराउंड.
मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. तू बात क्या कर रहा है? मेरे को चैलेंज मत दे. ठीक है.
इंडिया में सीन काफी शॉर्ट है. बहन ये जो साउथ का सीन है ना, उससे हमारा ओवरऑल स्कोर कम हो जाता है. Because of the fucking Southie
The uncle niece.
consanguinity.
मामा भांजी.
I know some Mama
Dibs.
Banji.
We have discussed this by the way in
discussed
episode
it.
4 or whatever.
And also
A
again,
year ago, and yes,
again recently with whom? Who was it?
I don't know.
Oh,
but
with Ribu Ghosh.
basically twice a year.
Mama Banji
we
comes,
discussed this.
We're just trying to let people know.
Yeah. The diverse traditions of the subcontinent.
If you're Tambram, don't talk to your uncles. Listen.
If you're a Tambram girl.
And if you're a Tambran man, I'm watching you. I know what's up.
Stay away from your niece.
Listen, buddy. Some things aren't illegal but should be.
Someone was showing me Pakistani roadies a few days ago.
Hey, living on the edge with Waqar Zaka.
Ishwar. Someone. There's never a someone. There's always Ishwar.
Guess who reminded him of it some 6 months ago? Me. I'm a huge fan.
Do you remember the line where he's like, "Aapka koi romance hua?" He's like,
अरे
cousin के साथ प्राइड के साथ टीवी में बोला, लेकिन शादी नहीं हुई. I was like, oh, so sweet बेटा.
अपने कजन को अपनी बच्ची बुलाना शुरू किया तूने. मेरी बच्ची है.
मैंने राजस्थान में सुना.
बच्ची बोलते हुए.
हाँ, बच्ची वहाँ भी मैंने सुना बोलते
Interesting.
हुए. Yeah, I was like, interesting. Yeah, the same reaction.
Sure.
I was
But
like,
that also, I mean, like, you know, I think it's regionally it also makes sense. Huh?
yeah,
Close to.
yeah, exactly.
Interesting.
Correct, because they do child marriage in Rajasthan.
Yes.
Listen,
they
the
do.
topography is the same. In Afghanistan, bachchi-bazi, Rajasthan, desert. Out of the desert, people lose their minds.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of water. They're dehydrated as fuck. Okay, there's not a lot of vegetation. There's not a lot of nutrition that they're getting.
तो जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं तो जल्दी शादी कर लेते हैं.
Fucking they lose their mind. They start calling their girlfriends bachchi. मेरी बच्ची.
Bro,
मैं बच्ची को घुमाने गया था.
you can't blame them. They are born in Registan. All they see is Registan. 12 साल की उम्र तक बोर हो जाते हैं, शादी कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, there's not a
That's
शादी
it.
बाद में करते हैं. वो शादी बच्चे के साथ पहले करा लेते हैं. Is it, bro? Honestly, if you look at the demographics over there, the age gaps you see in some of these marriages are they're big. They're like not like 10, 11.
Well, like a 32-year-old and a 12-year-old. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I know.
Yes. And then you're like, cool, great. One time, an Arab friend of mine told me, He's like, I went.
इतने कमीने तो हम भी नहीं हैं.
No, no, listen, he's like, I went back to Yemen and I met my uncle and aunt, and they looked different in age, but they were very much in love with each other. And then I put together that he was 37 and she was 16. And it was like, I did not look at that couple the same way after that.
But they met then.
They
and
met then in the 50s, in the 1960s. You know
so
what
that,
I mean?
I think that time there was less of a stigma around
Sure,
these.
sure. I mean, to be fair, what am I saying? Even in my own family, it's a terrifying thing to tell, but it's the truth. My great grandmother was 14. She was the second wife to a widowed gentleman who, while being kind, was forced into a second marriage. Her stepchildren were 8 to 9 years older than her.
Oh,
Think
so
about that.
No, but that also, by the way, my grandmother was,
Yeah.
I think, 13 when she got married.
Yeah.
She had her first child, my oldest Bua, at 16. And then I think at the age of 34, she had my father. So the age gap between her and her oldest child was less than the gap between her eldest child and her youngest child, my father.
Damn. Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
Yeah. I mean, that just used to be the way things were, bruh.
That is true. That is
Now
true.
people, I think, we've just given too much agency to women, so they think that they can, decide how they want to run their own lives.
Make the biological clock tick down
Yeah, like come on, dude.
before they decide to tick down.
About 10 years ago, a Pathan zamindar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa fell in love with a young boy.
Wow, kya
Bless
naam
you.
Fell in love with a young boy, bribed/convinced the family to give the boy over to him, but really did love him and give him izzat. So had the boy dressed as a dulhan and brought in a full parat to his house.
Had the boy dressed as a dulhan.
and brought in a full parat. to
This was
house.
his like batty boy.
This was his batty boy and he wanted to give him
Wow.
izzat. So he's like, tu meri dulhan hai. Pura
Like
sach
Emperor
mein
Nero,
yaar."
no? Didn't Nero get his lover's dick chopped off, converted into a woman, married her, and then dumped her?
Nero married one slave.
Okay,
I
okay,
forget.
okay. Yes, he did
Oh,
that.
Ne-
He got bored with her.
Bro, Caligula, Nero.
Caligula तो
Oh,
घोड़ों का
and one more,
चौदासी.
I'm missing one more. इनमें बीच में छोड़. They were all fucktards.
Caligula तो घोड़ों का चौदासी था ना.
Caligula.
उसको घोड़ों के लड़ने का शौक था.
उसने घोड़े को senator बनाया. Catherine the Great liked getting fucked
Yes,
by
the
horses.
Russian-
Caligula went to war against Poseidon and he beat the ocean.
Yes.
He had a whole
He
army
brought
standing in the
shells.
seas. Trying to kill Poseidon.
Yes.
Now let me show you a good king
He
compared
destroyed
to
it.
this. Have you ever heard of Canute the Great?
Yeah.
Canute was the only king of England and Denmark and Sweden at the same time,
Yeah.
and the first of the Viking kings who were loved in England. He learnt English. He sponsored English culture as it was at that point before the Saxons had arrived. He sponsored the churches, won his people over. Son. People said Canute could do nothing wrong. Canute got so fed up of this, he had his army take him to the ocean. He commands the ocean to move backwards as the tide comes in. Clearly it doesn't fucking go back out. As it goes out, he says, come fucking inside. And clearly the ocean doesn't come inside. He's like, bro, I have limitations.
Right.
Please
Yeah.
stop worshiping me.
Take
as
it easy.
God. Take it
Canute
easy.
was
I
Take it
cannot
easy.
do this.
You've put too much pressure
I cannot
on
live
me.
up to your expectations.
That's a good king.
Yeah.
That's a good king.
Idiot. He should have just rolled with it.
He should have been
तेरे
like,
भाई से सब कुछ हो जाएगा. वो कनूट दिल्ली वाला होता है ना.
Dumb fuck. He should have.
दिल्ली का लौंडा कहता bad चोद.
He should have just made a
मैं
meme
बस
coin and profited off the fucking insane pump and dump.
वो कहता bad चोद मैं बस समुंदर मोड़ना नहीं चाहता. ठीक है इसलिए नहीं मुड़ रहा.
Fucking
Punjabi
rolled with
uncle.
it.
Punjabi
हाँ.
uncle. Honestly.
मेरा मन नहीं है साले.
बैरी कर रहा.
बैरी कर रहा.
पहले हो गया था तेरे सामने नहीं करूंगा.
तो कुछ प्रूफ थोड़ी करना है. साले.
आरिफ भाई आ गए हैं. इसी
मोमेंट पे पॉडकास्ट
मोमेंट
करते
में
हैं.
पॉडकास्ट का समाप्त करते हैं.
चलिए.
Thank you, Devi Sajjano, for joining us this evening.
Thank you,
and
Devi Sajjano. Thank you, Arif bhai.
Good night and fuck off.